Nothing can't be done as I can. The pinnacle of regenerative medical technology. SuperJ International Pharmaceutical Group. Crafting life's legend. And scripting the tale of timelessness. Madame Lo from Cebu went to the hospital on November 30th, 2023 because her body was severely yellowed and exhausted. The diagnosis revealed that her pancreas had a tumor measuring 18.87 millimeters and the cancer index rose to 474. The hospital arranged for her to have the tumor removed in 1 week. Her relatives recommended her to use SJSS2 cell therapy before surgery. SJSS2 can strengthen immune cells and allow them to destroy cancer cells. Madame Lo returned to hospital a week later for surgery. The doctor found that the tumor had disappeared. So the doctor removes a small part of the pancreas and sends it for testing. The report in January 2024 showed that Madame Lo had fully recovered and no cancer cells detected in her body. This is a Sarawak success case. Now, Madame Lo has proven recovered after several check-ins. She took a photo to tell everyone that she has recovered. In fact, this is not the first successful case of SJSS2. In May 2019, 70-year-old Mr. Chen in Cebu suffered from pancreatic cancer. The doctor let him undergo chemotherapy 2 weeks later. In the meantime, his family gave him SJSS2. Before chemotherapy, the doctor found that his pancreas was only inflamed and he did not need chemotherapy anymore. After the doctor gave him anti-inflammatory drugs, he was told to go home and rest. In December 2019, 70-year-old Madame Leung from Cebu suffered from lymphoma. 1 month after SJSS2 treatment, her lymphoma completely disappeared. At the same time, Mrs. Zan, who was in her 80s from Cebu, suddenly became stiff and fell down. The doctor found that the liver toxicity index had risen to 2,960 and she was confirmed to have hepatic ascites, which is a precursor to cirrhosis. After she took SJSS2 for 3 days, the edema in his abdomen no longer occurred and the liver toxicity index dropped to 15. Doctors were also surprised at the time and could not explain what happened. In June 2020, Malik Norazan, a Malay woman in her 30s from Bintulu, suffered from stage 3 cervical cancer. She uses SJSS2 for treatment. A month later, her cancer cells were completely eliminated. What exactly is SJSS2 therapy? Does it apply to all cancers and diseases? Are there any side effects? Generally, swallowing pills or injecting medicines deliver chemicals into the body to kill bacteria or suppress viruses. After that, they will be broken down or metabolized and excreted. SJSS2 cell therapy developed by SuperJ is different from ordinary drugs. It is proteases extracted from green tea and ginkgo that will actively hunt down, repair, and renew cancer cells or diseased cells, providing long-term protection. This treatment concept is already being practiced by research teams. Cell therapy offers new hope in treating cancer. SJSS2 leads the human cell nutrition revolution in the 21st century, effectively and quickly achieving therapeutic effects. Safety is the most important thing when choosing health products. Therefore, SJSS2 has passed national inspection and product certification to ensure its safety and effectiveness. If you like this video and enjoy watching it, please share it out. You can also tag your family and friends, or anyone you loved and cared about. Who knows, this video will be a great help to them.